How to set custom wallpaper on an iPhone. I will show you how to set custom wallpaper on iPhone. Let's get started. Hello guys, welcome to the video. I will show you how to set a custom wallpaper or a wallpaper as per your preference on an iPhone. In order to set a custom wallpaper or a preferred wallpaper on your iPhone screen, you will have to go to settings first. Click the settings and we have come to the settings. And you don't have to click anything here right now, just go to the wallpaper. And we can see the wallpaper here, we clicked it. And we can see a multiple wallpapers here right now. The current one is appearing here that I have set on my screen. The one I have set on my screen, and another one is here. You have a multiple options to set here right now. You can choose even your photo here, and there are many beautiful wallpapers you can set on your iPhone screen. So that's how you can easily do it. So we'll meet in the next video.